Mandy, I'm gonna wife you up, girl. I want to show you how to make life-changing chicken like this in just 31 minutes. Welcome back to yet another Throwdown episode. I am Mandi Sarro, for those of you who are new here. First of all, you stumbled here. I am glad you're joining the gang. For the OGs though, I am the Throwdown queen, right? So hey! Now, I know I did say on the caption that we have a little something special. We'll get into that in just a bit. But right now though, we need to get into the marination of the succulent chicken that you guys just saw a little bit earlier. So a quick rundown of our ingredients. We have Greek yogurt. You can use plain yogurt if that's what you have at home. We have a blend of spices over here: turmeric, garam masala, paprika, and cayenne pepper. You can get the measurements below. We have olive oil, ginger garlic paste, the juice of 1 lemon, salt, and tomato paste. Of course, we also have our chicken. Now let's get into the marination part. So the beauty about this recipe is we're just gonna be adding everything into a bowl, mix it all well, and then we're gonna rub it down onto the chicken. Just gonna mix this up really well. And you guys know the deal. I always taste so that I can adjust accordingly if need be. So good. We're gonna take our chicken and we're just going to ensure to pat it down dry. Now we're going to be spatchcocking this chicken. We're using MMTD kitchen shears, and you can purchase them by clicking on the link that's just popped up. All we're gonna do is use them to cut out the backbone. You can save this and use this for chicken stock. One thing I usually do is take off all the excess fat. I'm not a fan of that. We're gonna take a spoon, kind of just gently lift the skin. Now we're gonna generously season this with salt. And we're gonna season underneath as well. You don't wanna not season the bottom of the skin. And of course, you're seasoning both sides. Now that we've generously seasoned it with salt, we're gonna go ahead and take our marinade. For those who may not know, spatchcocking your chicken allows for an even cook and also for the flavor to easily penetrate quickly. So we're gonna be marinating our chicken for 30 minutes, then I can tell you the special thing that I'm up to. Now, as the chicken is marinating, I do want to say, guys, thank you so much for the overwhelming love that you've shown to my appliance content. It was something new, something adventurous, and you guys have joined me on that journey. The requests, the hacks that you guys have said that you've loved learning, it has been my pleasure to share them with you. And speaking of journeys, you know, I'm the queen of taking you guys on the journey because you're so important to me. This is not our first journey together. When it came to my first ebook, Fuel Your Body Goals, I started to lose weight. I started to eat healthier. It was much more delicious, and you guys wanted to be in on that journey, and we went along on that ride hella smoothly. For those who are new here, that was my first ebook, and the link just popped up. You can still purchase it. It's still there. Now, besides all of that, now that we've dropped an ebook, your girl decided to wear her big girl panties. Oh my God! It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Your girl is dropping her first physical cookbook that you need to be checking out. My God, it's called A Melting Pot, 50+ recipes, and it's all things to do with the Instant Pot and the air fryer. These two gadgets are life-changing, and I wanted to be able to share with you guys recipes that will stand the test of time. I've been working on these recipes tirelessly. I've been tweaking them, sharing them with friends, and I want us to go on that journey together. So I want you to be part of the gang. Click on the link above. You'll be able to see a great landing page with all the details that you need to know about the Melting Pot cookbook. I want you to be one of the first people to get it. So hurry and click on that pre-order link. You know you want to. You know you want to. You're part of the gang. You support the gang. And this is how I want to appreciate you. Now that I've told you the special thing and you know about it, I'm going to pause and wait for you to pre-order. And when you come back, we're going to be throwing down that chicken. I took the chicken out of the fridge, brought it back to room temperature, and now it's time to throw down. Also, we're cooking with the air fryer, the trusty air fryer. You guys already know. The title already gave it away. Now that our chicken is to room temperature, it's a very important step, by the way. Don't skip that. We're just going to turn on our air fryer. And you know the drill by now. Preheat. Our air fryer is nice and hot. Again, do not skip on preheating. It's very important for you to achieve crispy results. I'm just greasing the tray of the air fryer with oil, of course. If you have the cooking spray, you can go ahead and use that as well. I always grease also the sides because I know the chicken is going to touch the sides of the air fryer. And once it's properly greased, we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken. And we're just going to place it all that's left on the plate. We're just going to add that there. We're going to go ahead and place our chicken into the air fryer. We're going to cook this at 180 for 20 minutes or 18 minutes to begin, and then we're going to flip it over again for another 18 minutes. So let's start. It's been 16 minutes. I always trust my gut. Look at that. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and flip this bird. We're going to take our oil and just brush this side as well because we want it to get crispy. Going to pop it in, and then we're going to set the time again. Our chicken is looking beautiful. We're going to take it out. We're going to flip it over one last time. And we're going to pop it back in for the last 2 minutes. It's been 31 minutes. Our chicken is ready. Oh my God. It's looking so good, okay? It's looking so good. And I reduced the time by 1 minute because I just didn't want the skin to burn a little bit. So the goal now is to remove the chicken and to set it and let it rest before we can carve it. Now that our chicken has rested, please don't skip on the resting part of this chicken. We're just gonna go ahead and carve it. And again, I'm using the MMTD kitchen shears. They're perfect for carving. Just look at how moist that chicken looks like. Like, look at that. Oh my God. So good. Look at that. Look at the skin. Look at the skin. My mouth is watering. I'm actually so excited. This is my job, guys. Say, Mandi, I'm gonna wife you up, girl. It'll be like, your wife my churro because you're cup. This chicken is life-changing. You need to try this recipe and all the other recipes are going to be in the cookbook. Because if I'm devouring this like this, imagine what you could be doing too. I am so excited to share all my favorite recipes with you guys. Pre-order my book now. Your support is appreciated already immensely. And guys, if you know somebody who loves chicken, you need to send them this recipe. I don't want to keep talking so goddamn much, okay? Like, subscribe, share this video with somebody who likes chicken, and don't forget to order the cookbook, my first physical cookbook, The Melting Pot. Until the next episode, stay eating delicious.